Welcome back to Cosmic Watchers, your ultimate destination for the most authentic UFO and UAP phenomena videos. Here we explore the unexplained mysteries of the skies and work together to uncover the truth behind them. If you've captured something extraordinary, we want to hear from you. Share your UFO videos and stories with us on our Twitter page, and you might just see them featured in one of our upcoming episodes. Now let's dive into today's video. We've got some very interesting clips for you. First up, we're looking at incredible footage from a Polish news station covering the Los Angeles forest fires. But it's not the fires that caught everyone's attention. During the broadcast, a metallic orb, or possibly two connected orbs, zooms past a plane fighting the fire. Watch closely. This is no ordinary object. Its speed and movement are unlike anything we know in aviation or drone technology. This near miss raises big questions. Could it be an advanced military craft, a drone, or something more mysterious, maybe even otherworldly? Our guess is as good as yours at this point, since we don't have other angles which could clarify its origin. What do you think? Let us know in the comments and share if you have more info on this remarkable footage. Now on to the next clip.
There's literally just an orb floating here. And another one over there. It's just like, you can tell it's not a star or the moon because it's so close. It's just floating. Wow.
On December 19th, off the coast of Rhode Island, a man filming on the beach captured something truly extraordinary above the ocean. Take a look. A glowing orb is seen hovering just above the water, its brightness so intense that you can even see its reflection, shimmering in the ocean below. Its low altitude and steady movement make this sighting especially intriguing and rules out that it might be a star or the moon. As the footage progresses, a second orb suddenly appears in the top right corner of the frame. Two glowing orbs hovering silently over the ocean.
It's just like,
what could they be?
you can tell it's
No additional details have been shared about this event, leaving us with more questions than answers. Do you know more about this sighting? Have you seen anything similar? Share your footage or info with us on Twitter. We'd love to hear from you.
There's literally just an
Now let's continue to our third clip for today. This next footage is taken from one of our Reddit community members, adding a statement which gives us a background story to this mysterious, metallic flying object. The uploader shared the following details. I saw this while getting ready this morning. About 8:30 in the morning in South Wales. I think it shifted direction once that I saw, but it was before I was able to start recording. Generally, it stayed like in the video the whole time. Smooth sailing with no deviations. It was the lack of changing movement that caught my attention in the first place. This footage captures a dark metallic object gliding smoothly through the air. No wings, no visible fumes from engines, and eerily silent. It's only a few hundred meters off the ground, and the uploader managed to get a clear, up-close shot of this unidentified aerial phenomenon. Similar objects have been reported across the globe, sparking speculation. Are they advanced covert technology from a rogue government? Or could they be connected to a single extraterrestrial species visiting Earth? The smooth, soundless flight is unlike anything we've ever seen.
Ja, diese Drohnen sind scheinbar auch hier angekommen. Ja, das sind eindeutig diese Drohnen. Warum sage ich diese? Weil das ist jetzt zweite.
In our final clip, we turn to Germany, where a young man captured footage of a strange object over the city of Bodenseering Bayreuth on January 7th at around 4:30 p.m. What he filmed left him and us completely stunned. Take a look. This cylindrical craft glided silently over the city. The uploader, familiar with local planes and drones, said it was unlike anything he'd ever seen. When zoomed in, the object shows striking similarities to the infamous tic-tac UFO, which has been recorded numerous times around the world. Could this be a simple case of an out-of-focus plane? Or is it linked to something far more mysterious? Perhaps something not of this earth? What's your take on this sighting? If you live near Bodenseering Bayreuth and saw this object, we'd love to hear from you. That's it for today's video, and we've seen some truly fascinating clips. From glowing orbs over Rhode Island to a tic-tac-like craft in Germany. These sightings continue to challenge what we think we know about the skies above us. Could they be advanced technology, extraterrestrial visitors, or something else entirely? We'd love to hear from you. If you've seen anything similar or have your own footage or stories to share, visit our Twitter page, linked in the comments below, and join the conversation. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the unexplained. Stay tuned for more UFO sightings, and as always, keep your eyes on the skies.